book usually has many shorter chapters. A dorm is a building where university students live and sleep.
About 200 students live in my dorm.
Something that is incorrect is not correct.
You should choose answer A here. Answer B is incorrect. Oh. Why are you still in the dorm? The class starts in 10 minutes.
My dorm is always very warm, clean.
Dorm.
Flavor.
Chapter.
Chapter. Ah, part of a book. Tuna. A popular kind of fish. Flavor. How something tastes.
I told her to read the chapter.
I told her. Tells to me. Me too.
He is writing an essay. Writing an essay. Dorm. Nearby. Solo.
Hurry up, we're late. Hurry up, we're late. Late.
What is our homework for tomorrow?
Bye bye.